Today's guest on our show is a very learned and a versatile personality. He is engineer by heart. He left his job from one of the most prestigious and desired startup of our nation, Byju's, to start something of his own. Now he runs three organizations: the Jorhat Kitchen. He has a cafe named Cafe Moonshine and art studio, Curly Art Girl. Let's hear his story from the man himself. Let's welcome Mr. Nahid Qayyum. Hello, Nahida.
Hello. Hi.
Hello. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing good. I guess it's too late tonight. Like today is like session is too late. But yeah, thanks for giving us time to like host you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
yeah. Thank you. Thank you. The pleasure is all mine.
আপুনি আহিলে সেইটোৱে ডাঙৰ কথা, like you are so busy, so yeah, like having like handling your businesses, আপুনি নিজৰ service চাই আছে, so like having your time is a great pleasure for us. Thank you so much for
Yeah,
giving us
yeah,
a
yeah.
chance to like host you and to have you on our show.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay, so Nahida, like it's the basic and general question only, like how did you came up with your service and this, like was it pandemic that made you start all your businesses? Like I will come to the viewers later, like what businesses you have. Like just tell me like what made you start these things.
Yeah, see, the first thing is I always when I started my journey, I did my engineering. So जब to be very honest, ये शायद सारे engineers most of them would say कि जब हम engineering में first year में रहते हैं ना, we don't know कि last year होते होते what our ambitions and what our aspirations would become. So when I started engineering, mechanical engineering, I thought, I like all the other people, ki I would be taking up a good job or a government job, and this and that, and whatever like the people think, or I would go into a core sector. But once I completed my engineering, then somehow, I didn't feel so associated with what I was studying, to be very honest. So
Okay.
that is the first thing that I would like to point it out here is that whatever I studied, obviously I did, I just didn't pass. I was something around 7.5 to 8 CGPA के बीच में, like I always had my
Yeah,
this
yeah,
thing.
it was
So
decent
जो भी
decision.
मैंने किया था, yeah, whatever I studied dedicatedly. But I thought कि this is not something that I would be doing the rest of my life,
Okay.
right? And I always had a flair for English fluency, and I like the language and everything. तो मैंने सोचा कि whatever I job I get, I always had that confidence in my mind कि I know a certain skill, I have communication skills with me, I have soft skills, I would do good. So as I was telling, so I got the first job that I got was into BPO. So I got into BPO. I worked there. Then I got into a sales support in
Okay.
it's a sales support executive in Pune. I did that. Then I got into business development. I was a business development associate in Byju's. So
Okay.
I did work there for around 2 years. I did pretty well. During that time, I understood that yeah, business development, marketing, sales is something which is close to my heart.
Okay.
So Karte I thought, and then I got an opportunity to come back in Assam. So when I came back to Assam, I thought कि simultaneously I would be doing something, job भी करूँगा and I would start something. But कभी वो मौका मिला नहीं.
Yeah.
Thanks to COVID, obviously a lot of things happened during the time. But ये भी हुआ कि I got time.
Yeah.
और सारे लोग कुछ ना कुछ skills पे काम कर रहे थे. Some were doing digital marketing, people were cooking, people were
True.
cycling
True.
and whatnot. And I thought why you and everyone was motivating each other. If you remember during the
Yes.
COVID
Yes.
time, सारे
Yes.
लोग motivate कर रहे थे कि life is very short and this and
It's
you
very
should work to
uncertain
a job.
actually. The word was
Yeah,
uncertain. Yeah.
very
Yeah.
uncertain, and people were motivating each other कि जो भी दिल में है करो करो करो. And then I thought कि मेरा क्या हुआ, like what I want to do.
Yeah.
Then I thought कि yeah, this is something I always wanted कि मेरा खुद का कुछ हो. I
Yes.
wanted to establish something. And क्या होता है ना कि द आइडिया, योर लेगेसी दैट रिमेन्स, मतलब
Mhm.
आप रहो ना रहो, बट आपका जो आइडिया है, नो वन कैन, योर आइडिया कैन नॉट डाई, योर लेगेसी कैन नॉट डाई।
Yes.
तो वही चीज था, कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, आई थॉट कि थोड़ा छोटे से शुरू करते हैं। Like, if I start, at least start small, then also like eventually, if I don't start at all, then what big and what small.
Yeah.
So I started, and that is how I got into it. I just did what I felt like doing, and
True, true,
it feels good.
true.
It feels good to listen to your heart at times.
Yes, it feels good.
Yeah,
So, do you believe that engineers can be anything apart from being an engineer? It.
very much, very much, very much, very much. तो आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू टेल, बहुत सारे लोग क्या होता है, लाइक कोई सीरियसली भी बोलता है कोई चीज को, लेकिन बहुत मजाक से भी बोलता है, कि एन इंजीनियर ऑलवेज सेज कि कभी जिंदगी में इंजीनियरिंग मत करना, एंड इंजीनियर्स ये होते हैं,
Yeah,
इंजीनियर्स
yeah,
वो
true,
होते हैं।
true,
बट
true.
मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है सिंस 2016, आई हैव visited to different parts of India. Like I stayed in Pune, I stayed in Delhi, Gurgaon, I stayed in Bangalore. I visited Kolkata. सारे job related. I even visited to Telangana, Nizamabad. There is a place in Telangana called Nizamabad. वहाँ भी मैं अपने job को लेके कुछ दिनों तक वहाँ पे था. And वहाँ, the only thing that I had seen in different parts of the country is that an engineer can survive anything.
Yeah,
Anything, I'm telling you. And मैंने वो
true.
hands on देखा है, like whether it be mechanical engineering, सिविल हो गया, कंप्यूटर साइंस हो गया, whatever it might be.
Yeah,
But I have seen ना कि इंजीनियर वाला आदमी ना कहीं he has that जुगाड़ and he goes up the ladder.
yeah, true.
So I would, मैं तो किसी को भी, अभी कोई भी like youngsters होते हैं, अपने रिलेटिव में भी हो या नेबर्स में भी हो, someone asks me कि should my child do engineering, I do not like discourage them. I tell them कि आप करो, because engineers कुछ ना कुछ तो आप कर ही लेगा आपका बच्चा। वो तो मैं, I am like 100% confident.
Yeah, yeah, true, true,
Yeah,
true enough.
yeah,
So, like I was saying about your businesses, right? So you have a
yeah,
cloud kitchen,
yeah.
you have a
I
ice,
have a cloud
yeah, yeah,
kitchen,
you have
right,
a cloud kitchen, you have a ice cream, bar out there, ice cream
right.
outlet out there. You have
Yeah,
a
yeah.
art and craft,
Art and craft
yeah,
digital library,
yeah,
right.
yeah. So these are the three businesses he has. So
And
like,
the fourth I would like to mention
okay,
on this
okay,
video is that the fourth, I'm associated with ecotourism as well.
oh my
So
God.
I'm associated with ecotourism as
Okay,
well. Yeah, I
so
would also
like,
like to tell that also,
yeah, yeah. So
about that
how
also.
much, like, in what are the sectors you are like planning to expand your hands now? Like you are into tourism, you are into art and craft, you are into food.
Yeah,
So like,
yeah.
okay, what's remained? You are into like somewhat into
My
tech.
my job my job is associated with education.
Okay, so it's related to education. So you are
Education.
also a marketing guy. So
Yeah.
somewhere you are a marketing guy. You are into marketing. So tech is left, I guess. You want to
Yeah.
get into tech now. So
Yeah, no. For tech, I would also always like to come up to guys like you. For tech is, I don't think it's my cup of tea. But other than that, yeah, I'm into all these sectors that you have said.
okay, so you are kind of versatile, yeah, like very versatile. आपने मैंने
I'm
सब
I'm
जगह था.
open to I'm open to new ideas.
Okay,
Right.
so like we are talking about these ideas, right? So like these ideas are very like different. They come from different field and they have their own aura of themselves. So like these things needs that learning attitude within you. So like you don't, you can't even ignore that. So you have that learning attitude within you, right? So like it's very much evident, like you are into this different. So with this learning attitude, I would like to ask, like, how important you think, because these days we have this learning attitude, but there are some people, they get a little bit of, knowledge and they start exploring. So what would you say? Like, what will you comment on this?
Uh, so this is like, I'm not completely understanding your question. So what are you exactly
Okay,
asking me?
see, like like you have this learning mind, learning
Right.
attitude. So
Right.
we also have this learning attitude these days. Like people like us are also learning, like my friends
True.
are, but there are people I know, like they have very small knowledge, like little bit of knowledge, and they start exploring. as you have been in different sectors of the market, like what do you
Right.
think? Like with a little knowledge, can you explore the market or explore any field?
See, that is something which I talk with my friends also. Okay,
Yeah.
so my friends who have been outside, like by outside I mean those who are out of their comfort zone.
Hmm.
So I feel like staying away. I have heard some renowned entrepreneurs say this as well कि जब भी आप entrepreneurial journey शुरू करते हो, not just your entrepreneurial journey, जब भी आप professional journey career पे जब आप focus करते हो ना, तो it's better like if you get the exposure.
Yeah.
So आपका जो comfort zone होता है, it's basically the bed that you always sleep in, you know, the food that your mother cooks for you. So, and exactly at 8 a.m., whether the alarm clock will ring or not, your father would come and wake you up. So these are some of the comfort zone things that people like, if you are not out of it, if you don't know how to cook your own food, आपको वहां से शुरू वहां से करना होगा जहां आप खुद से उठ रहे हो. There is no your father is not around, your mother is not around. You wake up early in the morning yourself.
Yes.
आप जितना नॉर्मली जितना जल्दी उठते हैं उससे आप 15 मिनट या आधा घंटा जल्दी उठ रहे हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज आपको अपना खुद का ब्रेकफास्ट बनाना है.
Yes.
आप
True.
अपना ब्रेकफास्ट बनाओगे, फिर आप कैब करोगे, ओला करोगे या पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट लोगे, आप फिर ऑफिस जाओगे. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि सुबह आप टिफिन बना के भी लेके जा रहे हो या आप ऑफिस में खा रहे हो, राइट? एंड आफ्टर कमिंग होम 10-10:30 में आप रात को घर पे आ रहे हो. इवन नाउ आई एम डूइंग दैट. रात को मैं घर आता हूँ. आई प्रेफर टू कुक माई ओन फूड. तो वो सारी चीजें होती है. इफ यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दोज थिंग्स, राइट, थोड़ा सा आपको एक्सपोजर मिल गया है, साथ ही साथ आप अपना काम करो जो भी करो. बट इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक कि मैं रात को 10 बजे घर आ रहा हूँ तो मैं आई जस्ट दीज आर स्मॉल थिंग्स दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कि मैं अपना जूता खोल के एंड आई थ्रो माई सॉक्स एनीवेयर. व्हाई? बिकॉज द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग माई मेड वुड कम एंड पिक इट अप फॉर मी और माई मदर वुड डू दिस थिंग फॉर मी, राइट? सो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. उस एटीट्यूड से अगर कोई आदमी काम कर रहा है कि कि बाकी सारी चीजें हो रही है एंड आई एम ओनली फोकसिंग ऑन माई वर्क, दैट इज नॉट हाउ प्रोबेबली थिंग्स वुड वर्क आउट. सो आई थिंक अगर आपको कुछ कर रहे हो आप एटलीस्ट कुछ एज में, बिकॉज इन द वेस्ट वी ऑलरेडी नो कि एक भी व्हेन अ किड इज ऑफ 18 years and above, so they are not dependent on the parent anymore. So हमारे यहाँ कहीं ना कहीं हो रहा है कि there are people of 20 years, 25 years, even 29, 28 years old who are staying with their parents and doing the same thing that the parents are doing and they are never out of their comfort zone. तो वो इंसान अगर बोल रहा है कि आई वुड वांट टू डू समथिंग, प्रोबेबली कहीं ना कहीं इफ ही इज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दिस थिंग्स, इफ ही इज नॉट एबल टू टेक थिंग्स पॉजिटिवली और फाइट जब भी जरूरत पड़े कुछ भी चीज के लिए, ही वुड नॉट बी हैविंग दैट हंगर.
Yeah.
बिकॉज वो जब अभी मैं इतना कॉन्फिडेंटली इसलिए बोल पा रहा हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव डन दैट. I
Yes.
have done that. मतलब there were times in Delhi, I still remember, you know, पहला पहला जॉब था. आई वाज अ फ्रेशर. इतने पैसे भी नहीं हुआ करते थे. कुकिंग भी उस टाइम पे इतना जल्दी नहीं आता था. देयर वर डेज वेयर इन सुबह भी मैं मोमो खा रहा हूँ एंड आई एम लिटरली टेलिंग दिस.
Yes.
सुबह
Yes.
भी
Yes.
लाइक आई एम हैविंग 20-30 rupees का मोमो
Okay.
इन दिल्ली. रात
Why
को भी
not
ऐसा हो
Maggie?
रहा है कि या
Why
इन
not
दिल्ली
Maggie?
व्हेन आई वाज सॉरी.
I was saying why not Maggie?
मैगी में लेट हो जाएगा ना. मैगी
Okay.
मैगी
Okay.
के लिए अगर वेट करूंगा तो मेट्रो पे ट्रेन चला जाएगा. यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम
Yes. Yes.
ट्राइंग टू
Yes.
टेल
Yes.
यू.
Yes.
तो
Yes.
इस तरह से मैनेज करना होता था बिकॉज मैं एक जगह से टेम्पो लेके आ रहा हूँ, फिर जहाँ चौक है वहां पे तुरंत तुरंत मोमो बना हुआ है, मोमो खाता हूँ, मेट्रो में चलता हूँ. बिकॉज अगर मैगी या कुछ भी बनाने के लिए मैं वेट करूंगा 5 मिनट्स लेट हो जाएगा, मेट्रो चला जाएगा.
Yeah.
सो दैट इज हाउ यू हैव टू. ये सारी चीजें आई थिंक आपको स्ट्रांग बनाने में बहुत मदद करती है.
True.
आई डेफिनेटली फील कि ये सारी चीजें होनी चाहिए बिकॉज आई वुड जैसे मेरे बाकी के सारे लोग थे जो ऑलवेज थॉट कि नहीं मैं इस चीज के लिए, दिस जॉब इज स्मॉल, बीपीओ का जॉब है, दिस जॉब इज नॉट लाइक दैट, दिस जॉब इज नॉट फॉर माई अप टू माई कैलिबर, सो आई वुड नॉट डू दैट. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. कितना भी छोटा बड़ा जॉब हो, आई थिंक पीपल शुड एटलीस्ट गो आउट ऑफ देयर कंफर्ट जोन वंस, एटलीस्ट ट्राई इट आउट कि आपसे हो पाएगा कि नहीं. एंड देन अगर होता है डेफिनेटली देन यू हैव द हंगर इन यू.
Yes.
और अगर वहां आपको लगता है कि नहीं मैं फेल कर जाऊंगा, इफ यू ऑलवेज फियर टू फेल, वहां भी करोगे फेल तो अपने
Yeah.
कंफर्ट जोन में भी आप कर पाओगे ना. बट अगर बाहर रह के फेल करते हो तो एटलीस्ट यू विल हैव द कैलिबर टू राइज अप अगेन. यू वुड नो थिंग्स हाउ इट वुड वर्क.
Yes. You will have that thing that yeah मैंने कोशिश तो किया था at least like you.
Exactly. And hard work conquers all. I have always very strongly felt and believed in that hard work conquers all.
Okay. Do you believe that hard work can outshine talent?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
I do definitely.
So yeah, great. Yeah, like okay, you have this thing, like you are experienced enough, you have these things.
Yeah,
So coming back to your story, actually,
yeah,
so I would like to start with your cloud kitchen because this thing is very much booming these days. So
yeah,
just tell me how Jorhat Kitchen started and when did you start? Like what, how this thing came up into your mind? Like the Jorhat
yeah.
Kitchen is a name right now. Like I won't say it has become that enormous enough, that humongous, but it has a little bit corner in your audiences. It has that soft corner. মানুহে খাই আপোনাৰ পৰা ভাল পায়.
Hi.
হয়.
Right.
খাই আপোনাৰ পৰা ভাল পায়. So that's
ভাল
the thing.
পায়.
Yes. So
Right.
tell me the story behind that.
So how Jorhat Kitchen came up was like, you know, once lockdown happened. So lockdown played a very important life part in my life. Okay, because जो क्लाउड किचन मैंने अभी लाइक এতিয়া মই स्टार्ट কৰিছিলো
হয়.
क्लाउड किचन तो probably अगर লকডাউন नहीं होता যদি লকডাউন নহলহেঁতেন या বোলে এনেকেই চলি থাকিলেহেঁতেন যেনেকে লাইফটো চলি আছে probably I would have done this but 10 years 20 years later in my life probably
Hmm.
so lockdown যেতিয়া হল I completely got cut off from like obviously all of us got cut off from our immediate families, relatives, friends, all those. So and you got lot of time to self retrospect of your about your life, bro. And one thing आपको बहुत टाइम मिल गया था कि आप अपने लाइफ के ऊपर सेल्फ रेट्रोस्पेक्ट करो दूसरा आपको जैसे यू जस्ट मेंशन सम टाइम एगो कि बहुत अनसर्टेन हो गया था everything became so uncertain कि मतलब আগলে কি হব
Right.
কি নহব people all around you people are like dying and this and that and it was such a bad time so something in me told कि नहीं मतलब अभी तो it's time enough आगे क्या होगा we don't know मतलब this is a pandemic this is an apocalypse I do God knows what this is
Yes.
and आगे क्या होगा we never know we never face this thing so I did not want to stay in such a zone in my life कि I would be doing it later in my life वो नहीं होना था मैं वो I did not want that to happen so in 2021 this year only 2021 February when I was working from home all this time I was working from home then I thought I would be getting into some kind of business so it was not the cloud kitchen thing that came up to my mind I always had this thinking कुछ तो मैं करूंगा right so I was thinking to be very frank I'll tell you from December 2020 December 2020 November December से लेके November December January February I took 4 months in my hand तो उस 4 months में I had a friend I have a friend his name is Naveen Kumar Jha so he's from Jorhat only so he's into logistics तो he helped me a lot actually तो हम लोग बहुत सारे फील्ड्स के ऊपर हम लोगों ने रिसर्च किया वी रिसर्च की अगर लॉजिस्टिक्स में घुसे तो कैसा होगा देन आई हैड अ वेरी स्ट्रांग दिस थिंग कि हमको कुछ एनिमल हस्बेंड्री में करना चाहिए animal husbandry mein. So I visited lot of places like lot of private poultry farms fish farming I even visiting Jorhat we have the veterinary sciences का office भी हमारे वहाँ पे है so I visited that also to understand and I even visit I still remember बहुत सारे लोगों के पास मैं गया था नाबार्ड करके एक बैंक है if you heard for the agricultural this thing I'm not able to recall the full form of it but नाबार्ड करके बैंक है तो वहाँ के जो जनरल मैनेजर है मैं उनसे भी मिलने गया था कि क्या होगा अगर मैं एग्रीकल्चर में करता हूँ व्हाट आर द डूज डोंट्स प्रोस कॉन्स ये सारी चीजें तो ऐसे करते करते फिर घर पे भी रहता था बहुत टाइम जोरहाट में तो दिन भर घर पे रहता था तो शाम को जैसे आई यूज्ड टू गो आउट मीट डिफरेंट पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट फील्ड्स I had lot of friends from school also who are into lot of businesses तो उनसे मैं बात करता था तो ऐसे करते करते ना चौथे महीने तक I was like determined enough कि जो भी हो I have to start earning my first penny as a businessman, as an entrepreneur. तो last में जाके this thing boil down to this thing कि बहुत हो गया like it's easy to because क्या होता है when I was in Pune when I was Bangalore it's comparatively I don't know people अभी तो लोगों को पता चल रहा है it's easier to earn there compared to if you are staying in a place in Assam whether it be Guwahati whether it be Dibrugarh whether it be Jorhat If I compare these places to something like Delhi,
Yes.
Noida,
Uh-huh.
Pune,
Uh,
Bangalore,
yes.
Hyderabad, it's easier to earn there.
Okay, like
It's
it's
easier to
easier
earn
to
there.
earn like the
There,
cities like Pune and Bangalore rather than
exactly,
here.
exactly.
Okay, it's
Rather than
hard.
here. Uh,
Okay,
yeah. So लोगों
this
को
is
लगता
something.
है कि नहीं बाहर जाऊंगा आई वुड बी क्लूलेस यहाँ पे रहता हूँ कुछ जॉब मिल जाएगा ऐसे नहीं होता है वहां पे आप जाओगे ना आई एम टेलिंग यू मैं ये इतना दावे से क्यों कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं पुणे जब गया था विद इन 15 डेज आई गॉट माय फर्स्ट जॉब कैन यू जस्ट इमेजिन विद इन 15 डेज
Hmm.
पुणे का कोई आइडिया ही नहीं था मेरे को मैं पुणे
Okay,
गया जॉब
so
लेने के
your
लिए विद इन 15 डेज आई गॉट माय फर्स्ट जॉब
okay, so Apuner job like Pune job was not a referral or like from here. You just went there and searched for it.
Yeah, so our
Okay,
college helped. जैसे
okay,
मैंने आपको बताया था ना, we were from the first batch, so our college, someone helped.
yeah.
But yeah, I got my first job. वो job करते करते then I came to know about Byju's. I gave the interview for Byju's, तो दूसरा job मेरा Byju's में हो गया था. तो इस तरह से होता है.
Mhm.
And once I went there, I saw like there are jobs for 10th pass students, there are jobs for 12th, there are jobs for ITI, JE, there are jobs for engineering का भी कोई कमी ही नहीं है कॉमर्स ग्रेजुएट्स के लिए या इट माइट डिफर किसी को 15,000 मिल सकता है किसी को 20 मिल सकता है
Yes.
किसी को 50,000 मिल सकता है डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर कैलिबर इन योर एक्सपीरियंस बट यू वुड गेट इट
Okay.
तो या तो कमिंग बैक टू माय आइडिया मेरा ऐसा था कि अब इतने साल बाहर रह लिया हूँ आई हैव अर्न दिस मच एंड यू नो एवरी डे आई वाज अर्निंग दिस एंड दैट सो व्हाई कांट आई स्टार्ट अर्निंग इन जोरहाट
Mhm.
आई हैव टू गेट माई फर्स्ट पेनी उसके लिए क्या करना होगा अभी बहुत रिसर्च कर लिया सब कुछ हो गया उसके लिए क्या करना है तो उसके लिए क्या करना है द फर्स्ट थिंग when I was like thinking so मेरे घर पे my at my own place my parents used to at that point of time they used to stay in Guwahati so all of us are in Guwahati and I was in Jorhat alone so मेरे घर पे ना तो there was a room a small room and a kitchen and a bathroom तो एक छोटा सा था बाथरूम बाहर था रूम था किचन था तो वी रेंटेड इट अप टू अ फैमिली right so
Okay.
we got around I don't know maybe some 3,000 4,000 rupees as a rent तो वो पड़ा हुआ था और उस टाइम पे जब मैं गया था वो खाली था उसमें कोई टेनेंट थे नहीं तो आई थॉट कि मेरे पास एक जगह खाली है एंड माई प्लेस एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट इज इन द हार्ट ऑफ द सिटी so those who are from Jorhat would know that there is Garali. Obviously you stay in Jorhat, so there is Garali.
Yes.
So in Garali, if you go to Garali, you would know there is a place called Rupohi. So it's a tertiary. It's in the main heart of the city. So my house is in Rupohi. So
Okay.
that is one advantage. Obviously, that is one advantage that I got is my house is in the city, like heart of the city. तो
Love
मेरे
that.
पास वो रूम किचन और ये बाथरूम पड़ा हुआ था नॉट इवन यूजिंग दैट सो आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग कि इससे क्या कर सकते हैं हाउ कैन आई यूटिलाइज इट इन अ बेटर वे तब आई थॉट थोड़ा सा फिर आई स्टार्टेड सर्चिंग फॉर कि फूड बिजनेस का देखते हैं कि क्या है फूड एंड बिजनेस में क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग तो ऐसे देखते देखते आई अंडरस्टूड कि दिस इज हाउ अ क्लाउड किचन वुड वर्क इट्स बेसिकली अ घोस्ट किचन यू डोंट नीड एनी दिस थिंग कोई बैठने का कोई इंतजाम नहीं करना है यू जस्ट नीड टू हैव अ प्रॉपर एक्सपीरियंस कुक आपको सारे जो भी यूटेंसिल्स वगैरह इक्विपमेंट्स है वो लाना है सेफ्टी का देखना है हाइजीन का मेंटेन करना है वी आर गुड टू गो सो आई गिव अप एड्स जैसे जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा था मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से मिला था बिफोर स्टार्टिंग बिजनेस तो बहुत सारी चीजें मुझे पता चली वन ऑफ देम मुझे ये पता चला कि OLX में ना OLX में सिर्फ चीजें नहीं बिकती है OLX में यू कैन गेट जॉब्स ऑल्सो yeah
This is
so
new.
this is the
This is
revelation I'm
this
telling you
this
and
is this is
this
new.
was told to me by an engineer only कि
Okay. This
वो
is
भी
new.
yeah this is something very new no
New to me.
मैंने
New
जब
to
सुना
me.
था मैंने जब सुना था मेरे लिए भी बहुत नया था कि OLX में आप जाओ OLX में ऐड दो OLX में से चीजें ही नहीं मिलती OLX में आपको एक्चुअल आदमी भी मिलेंगे जो yeah so they're like they, so in OLX there are different sections okay so you can look for cooks also और उस टाइम पे आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट February 2021 जनवरी फरवरी की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ उस टाइम पे जैसे मेरे जैसे लोग एम्प्लॉइज ऑब्वियसली जो बाहर रहते थे ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन वी केम बैक होम
Yes.
बिकॉज वहां पे ऑफिसेज बंद हो गया था तो यू आर अलाउड टू वर्क फ्रॉम होम ऑफिसेज बंद हो गया था यू आर अलाउड टू वर्क फ्रॉम होम व्हाट अबाउट होटल्स व्हाट अबाउट फूड आउटलेट वहां जो बंद हो गया तो वो जो अपना जो आसाम का आदमी है वहां बाहर रहता है व्हाट वुड ही डू he does not have anything called work from home. Now, how would he work from home? So obviously there are a lot of people out there, a lot of youth जो ऐसे ही लाइक घर पे पड़े हुए हैं outlets are closed and everything. So I gave up ad So I got 2 3 cooks from there. They came, so we tried out the different types of cuisines and all those things. And then confirmed one. एक कुक को मैंने कंफर्म किया एंड देन आई हैड अ हेल्पर आई हैड अ फ्रेंड हु यूज्ड टू हेल्प मी एज वेल और एक हेल्पर भी हमने यूज किया तो इनिशियली वाज अ टीम ऑफ 4 to 5 people एंड वी स्टार्टेड तो मेरा जो रूम था जो मैं बता रहा था रूम था किचन था तो उसी को मैंने कन्वर्ट कर दिया तो बेसिकली दैट इज हाउ द आइडिया ऑफ जोरहाट किचन केम right? So धीरे धीरे like after like 6 7 months within the food business, I would like to tell you that abhi I'm increasing it. So the room got bigger, and the kitchen I'm trying to expand it a little bit, and there are more people working now. There are 2 cooks now instead of one. तो इस तरह से हम getting into different cuisines. जैसे पहले हमने Chinese से शुरू किया था, तो now I have Chinese, North Indian, then continental, tandoori also. All these things we are slowly starting, right? And the major part which plays in the cloud kitchen business is which obviously जो मेरा भी experience उस field में है is the marketing part. Because you don't have an outlet, people would not know anything about your business, right? So obviously marketing had played a very important role. Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, and some above the line ATL marketing also. So I have posters also in Jorhat. And I still remember at this point of time, जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा था कि you have to like learn to जैसे मैं hard work के बारे में बता रहा था. So at that point of time, I never had this thing in my mind कि मुझे I need employees to do this for me. So जब जरूरत होता था, whenever I had to wash a washing utensil, I would do it. But if I had to carry water, I would do it. I still remember रात को जैसे हमारा किचन बंद हो जाता था 10 साढ़े 10 बजे. Me and a friend, his name is Abhinandan. So me and a friend, we used to go out taking posters. Right? और रात को हम 12 साढ़े 12 1 बजे तक, trust me, till 1 1:30 a.m. we used to put up posters in different parts of Jorhat kitchen. So yeah, we did that also in the initial days.
So you were talking about the initial days, like lockdown. You said everything was closed, right? And with the cloud kitchen, the main part comes in delivery.
Yeah.
So you didn't had Zomato, Swiggy access at that time. So you guys were doing the deliveries.
Yeah, initially we did the delivery. See, now the food business part, why I got into the food business part basically is because, as I told you, I am associated very closely with the education sector, right? So since 2017, I've been working for edtechs. So I was, as I told you, I started my journey as a business development associate. I grew up to be a business development manager, right? I became a senior manager, and now I'm into learning and development. So I'm very closely associated with it. तो उसमें बहुत सारे nuances of business I got to learn for education. Abhi, if I talk about like the pillars of a country, the main parts which makes up a country is obviously healthcare. सबसे ऊपर is healthcare,
Healthcare,
then there is education,
education,
right? And there is this food and
food.
beverage का business,
Yes.
right? और फूड एंड बिजनेस इस पार्ट में भी है, रोटी रोटी कपड़ा और मकान में भी, लाइक द बेसिक नेसेसिटी
Yeah.
में भी फूड एंड
Food and
बेवरेज है. तो कहीं ना कहीं I always tell them ये ऐसा चीज है जो if you are offering food, no one would say no. Everyone would want to try out new cuisines, new food, and if you have good delivery, if you and business में मुझे ये चीज बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया because I had as I told you, I was a manager, senior manager, so I had handled team of more than 30 people, 40 people. So I have always understood कि the way how you talk, the way how you behave to a customer, because if अगर एक customer, obviously it might be an online business also, whatever it might be, but किसी भी चीज के लिए अगर आपको कस्टमर कॉल कर रहा है या कभी भी आप कस्टमर से इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हो, डिलीवरी के टाइम पे भी, कुछ भी टाइम पे, ऑर्डर लेने के टाइम पे भी, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हाउ यू आर टॉकिंग टू समवन. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हाउ यू आर बिहेविंग, राइट? एंड वो सारी चीजों के ऊपर भी आई आई ऑलवेज, जब भी कोई कॉल आता है कोई भी कस्टमर का, तो इट्स लाइक आई टेक टाइम इन व्हाट आई इन्वेस्ट टाइम इन टॉकिंग टू दैट पर्सन, right? So that they have a long lasting impression ki yeah. So Jorhat Kitchen is not just one of the delivery outlets in Jorhat. Jorhat Kitchen is a premier delivery outlet. How? Because वो premium कैसे हो रहा है? Because I'm making it premium. जब भी कस्टमर मेरे को कॉल करता है, आई वेदर आई टॉक टू देम एज एन ओनर, वेदर आई टॉक टू देम एज अ रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजर, दे डोंट नो हु एम आई. बट जब भी वो whenever the call lands up, they should feel happy कि नहीं. And once they talk to someone like me, once they talk to someone like anyone who would be very much respectful towards whatever they are saying, so I think your business will definitely grow. So these are some of the things which I have learned over the years in my professional life, and उसी तरह से I try to sort things out. Maybe. Yeah.
It's nice insight for like nice insight about the Jorhat kitchen. Now I will come to your art and craft business. Can you
Yeah.
name that? Like,
Yeah, so it's not my business, it's our business.
okay,
So I have a friend, a very close friend, a very dear friend. Her name is Dr. Kakuli Medhi,
yes,
right? So as I earlier told you, she's a doctor of medicine, right?
okay,
She did her MBBS from AMC, Assam Medical College, and then she's doing her postgraduate from Borpeta Medical College. So she is an ardent lover of art and craft.
yes,
So whatever paintings are there, whatever this thing are there, it's everything is being done by her, right? So yeah, so I don't know. She must have hundreds of paintings, hundred of art and craft things lying around in her this thing home. So I told her like as I had always felt जैसे मैंने जोहार किचन शुरू किया था उसमें बहुत बहुत बड़ा एक role she had always played, like to motivate me and to whenever I needed someone she was always there for me. तो मैं भी जब उससे बात करता हूँ तो every time that the thing comes up, she's whenever she's free, like obviously she's a doctor of medicine, so you would know how hectic her
yes,
timetable is.
yes.
But कभी भी उसको time मिलता है ना, the best part is अगर 15 minutes 20 minutes भी time मिलता है ना, she would be doing art. That is how good
Passionate.
she is at, and how मतलब close she is with her art and
Yeah,
everything.
she's
So
passionate.
I suggested her कि I would take the business aspect of it. Like I am to there only, no? तो मैं तो वैसे भी ये सारी चीजें तो कर ही रहा हूँ. I would like, because she always had this thing in her mind कि like she would not be having that much time and things would become too cumbersome.
Yes.
Online आना and orders accept करना, place करना, whatever it might be. So I told her that I would take that thing upon me. You do whatever you are good at. So likewise, so we started Curly Art Girl. So our
Curly.
page name is Curly Art Girl. So we are on Instagram and we are on Amazon. So if anyone watching this would like to order anything, you would get us on Amazon and you would get us on Instagram
So anything
by the
can be
name Curly Art
customized.
Girl.
Like if they want a
Yeah,
customized art.
yeah. Anything that you want customer, obviously, because you would be getting the art from a very, this person. And
Yeah,
like, your art would not just be an artist who would be drawing it. A doctor of medicine artist would be drawing it. So it might take some time.
yeah, yeah.
Like instead of 10 days, it might go up to like 14 days. But yeah, we would get it done and we would get it delivered.
That's nice about your curly art girl.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so curly art girl, how this name? Like she has a curly hair, something like.
Yeah, that's her like Instagram handle also. So she wanted to have it her way. I'm like, okay, fine.
Okay,
I'm like, okay with it.
good, like cool name. And then comes your ice cream outlet.
Yeah. So
So the
ice
story
cream
behind it.
कैसा था? Yeah. So again because of Corona,
Okay, it was
uh,
also apart from like part of Corona, the pandemic
yeah,
outcome.
yeah, yeah. It was also part of Corona. Like I started Jorhat Kitchen in February. So February, March, April, I
Wow.
was completely dedicated into Jorhat Kitchen, and then I saw that things are getting into place. So you don't need me all the time. I have like a friend who is a manager, कुक्स हैं, ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर्स आते हैं, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज ऑनलाइन ना, ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर्स आते हैं, आपको देखना होता है, बनाना होता है, भेजना होता है, ओनली दैट कि आपको क्वालिटी चेक करना होता है, जिसके लिए मैं रहता हूँ. एंड आई गॉट एम्पल टाइम. तो जैसे ही मुझे टाइम मिला आई थॉट कि कुछ भी दूसरा वेंचर शुरू करने से पहले ओनली थिंग आई हैड इन माइंड इज कि अगर लॉकडाउन हो जाता है कंप्लीटली तो व्हाट वुड हैपन. सो अगर लॉकडाउन कंप्लीटली हो जाता है तो एक तो है फार्मेसी है जो कभी नहीं बंद होगा, दूसरा फूड एंड बेवरेज है जो कैसे भी होगा आपको चाहिए ही होगा, एंड तीसरा है जो रिटेल एफएमसीजी जो शॉप्स हैं, राइट, एफएमसीजी शॉप्स हैं तो वो होता है, डेयरी आउटलेट्स ऑब्वियसली लिखा हुआ रहता है ना, डेयरी आउटलेट्स वगैरह ये सारी चीजें खुला रहता है. तो मेरे मन में वही था कि कुछ भी करना है तो ये इस सेक्टर्स में ही करना है, इसके अलग कुछ नहीं जाना है, बिकॉज उसके अलग जाऊंगा तो लॉकडाउन हो जाएगा तो
खत्म
सारा बंद,
हाँ
या बिजनेस बंद. तो फिर ऐसा था कि आई हैड ऑलवेज हैड दिस थिंग इन माय माइंड कि मेरे को फ्रेंचाइजी लेना है, फूड फ्रेंचाइजी, सम काइंड ऑफ फूड फ्रेंचाइजी, टेक अप एन अमूल फ्रेंचाइजी, अमूल का, राइट. Amul ka franchisee. So I think you must have seen, no,
Yes, yes,
Amul's
yes.
franchisee,
Yeah,
like,
yeah, I have
yeah,
seen.
it's in railway stations also in
Yeah,
different parts
yeah.
of the
I
city
have seen.
also.
I have seen.
So उस time पे there was this Amul, how and the my parlor's name, this shop's name is this thing, Cafe Moonshine. Okay, I
Yes,
named it
Cafe
Cafe
Moonshine.
Moonshine. So उसका कैसा था कि जब मैंने, जैसे आपको मैं बताया था ना कि before starting a business I got into different this thing,
Yeah, yeah.
met different people for
Yes,
different
yes.
prospects.
Yeah, yeah. And you
या
were
तो
in
जैसे पोल्ट्री में,
researching. Yeah.
या आई वाज रिसर्चिंग, तो जैसे पोल्ट्री के बारे में बात कर रहा था, मैं एफएमसीजी के बारे में भी बात कर रहा था. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग दैट आई डिड. मतलब मैं इतने सारे लोगों से मिला, इतने सारे लोगों ने आइडिया दिया, तो अमूल के जो हेड ऑफिस वगैरह हैं जोरहाट में, उन्होंने ही मुझे ये सजेशन दिया था कि देना हुआ है, ठीक है, इट्स लाइक अ इट्स अ बिल्ड प्लेस, इट्स कंप्लीटली इनबिल्ट थिंग. लेकिन उस टाइम पे जो ओनर थे, प्रोबेबली ही हैड अ पार्टनरशिप विद समवन एंड द पार्टनरशिप डिडंट वर्क आउट, सो दे हैड क्लोज दैट शॉप. ये इन्फॉर्मेशन मुझे अमूल के लोगों से ही मिला कि जोरहाट में ऑलरेडी एक प्लेस है, अगर आप चाहते हो बिजनेस शुरू करना, तो वी फील कि आप वहां से शुरू कर सकते हो, तो आपका जो इनिशियल कॉस्ट है वो बहुत कम हो
कम हो
जाएगा,
जाएगा.
सेटअप कॉस्ट तो कम हो
कम
जाएगा,
हो
बिकॉज
जाएगा.
द प्लेस इज ऑलरेडी सेटअप. सो मैं वहां गया, दो तीन बार गया, वो दुकान हमेशा बंद रहता है. आई ट्राइड लुकिंग आउट फॉर पीपल नियर बाय, बट नो वन हैड एनी आइडिया कि अभी वो ओनर कहाँ चले गए, क्या है, किसका है, राइट. तो एक दिन ऐसा हुआ कि कोइंसिडेंटली मी एंड माय फ्रेंड अभिनंदन, तो हम लोग, जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा था, हम लोग पोस्टर्स लगाने जाते हैं रात को, आफ्टर क्लाउड किचन बंद करने के बाद. तो ऐसे ही पोस्टर लगाते लगाते एक दिन रात को, आई डोंट नो, मे बी 10-10:30 हो गए थे, पोस्टर्स में लगा रहा था. तो देयर वाज अ शॉप, दिस किराने का दुकान था, राशन का शॉप था. तो द ओनर वाज क्लोजिंग द शॉप, ठीक है, क्लोजिंग द शॉप. तो उनके उनके दुकान के सामने एक पिलर है, तो आई वॉज पुटिंग द जोरहाट किचन का पोस्टर ऑन इट.
पोस्टर होना.
तो वो भैया आए, किराने वाला आए, तो मैंने उनको बोला कि भैया मैं यहाँ लगा दो पोस्टर, ऐसा फूड का ये है, तो इसलिए हाँ लगाओ लगाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. तो ऐसी बात बात किया, कहाँ से आए हो, क्या है क्या नहीं है. तो फिर बातों बातों में मैंने उनको बोला कि भैया वो दुकान है, वहां से दिखता है, मतलब अमूल वाला, कोइंसिडेंटली आई वाज एट दैट स्पॉट ओनली. तो वो अमूल का ये शॉप है, तो ये बंद हो गया. वो बोला कि हाँ अभी कुछ महीनों से बंद है. मैं बोला मैं सोच रहा था कि मैं भी शुरू करूं. So you know who the owner of this place is and everything, because I heard the co-owner he left and whatever, like people don't know about him. So it's like, yeah, the co-owner left, one co-owner left, the other co-owner is me. So I am one of the co-owners. He
Okay.
said that I am one of the co-owners. So I'm like कि
Okay.
अरे ये तो अच्छी बात है, तो
It
मतलब
was like
क्या बताऊँ,
like
इतना
सोने पे
अच्छा
सुहागा.
कोइंसिडेंस हो रहा है, मतलब मैं क्या
सोने पे
बोलूँ.
सुहागा.
Yeah, and this was a coincidence only कि I was at that place at that point of time.
Yes.
या आई डिडंट प्लान कि मैं उसी डायरेक्शन में जाऊंगा, ऐसे ही जाते
Yes,
जाते
this
हम
was
लोग
the
कि आज इस
destiny.
तरफ पे लगा.
Yeah, yeah,
राइट.
destiny, destiny.
तो फिर उनसे बात बात किया, एंड नेक्स्ट डे आई वेंट, आई मेट हिम, आई मेट द लैंडलॉर्ड एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड लाइक विदिन 10-12 days we like signed in everything, and like, it's running now. Yeah.
It's
So basically,
nice.
it's an Amul parlor. उनका franchisee था ये, but I did not take up the franchisee, right? I did not take up the franchisee, so I named it Cafe Moonshine. So because मेरा ये था कि अमूल के साथ साथ I would be having some, because I always have जोरहाट kitchen behind me. So
Yes.
मैं ये eatery कभी भी eatery convert कर सकता हूँ ना, बिकॉज तो किचन तो मेरे पास है ही, आई जस्ट नीड टू ब्रिंग द फूड ओवर हियर. तो इसीलिए वो सोच के मैंने कैफे मूनशाइन लिया. तो नाउ अमूल के साथ साथ वी सर्व डिफरेंट स्मॉल स्मॉल दिस थिंग, क्विक सर्विंग फूड्स आल्सो. या along with tea, coffee, ice creams and all those things.
So, like this pandemic had a great impact on you, I can say. Like you got to like, got into different fields. What you actually wanted, as you say, like you wanted to start something. So this
Yeah.
made you start that thing. So seems like this pandemic had a nice effect on you. Apart from this, what it had an effect on you, like, some in personal level, like did it like make you grow in a different level, evolve, help you evolve, or it was like a bit stress kind of thing? क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? क्यों हंसूंगा घाव पे तो की कोई हंसू रही? Was it like that?
Yeah, see, in the initial days, so I would just like to tell you, actually कैसा था, yeah, so I would like to tell this, ये actually this interview is going on record, no, so I'm telling you all these things which have played a very pivotal role in my life, no. So मेरे when I was working as a manager and a senior manager, no, so I my team was very close to me. जो भी लाइक द एसोसिएट्स वगैरह थे, मैनेजर्स थे मेरे अंदर, तो दे वर वेरी क्लोज टू मी. सो two of the guys, so I would two of the guys, they were from Tejpur. It was a normal weekend. कोरोना मतलब कोविड से जस्ट पहले पहले, कोविड शुरू हुआ ही था, उससे पहले पहले की बात है ये. आई थिंक क्या, लाइक बिटवीन द कोविड टाइम, एक लॉकडाउन दूसरे लॉकडाउन के बीच में, इसी टाइम ड्यूरेशन, आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल द टाइम ड्यूरेशन, बट उसी टाइम में 2019-20 की बात है. So it was a normal weekday, weekend. These guys went out to party with some friends and everything, and while coming there, they met with a severe accident, and one of them passed away.
Okay.
Right, one of them passed away. So before he, when he was in ICU and everything, I went there. Tejpur gaya tha main, so I met his mother, father, and everyone, and I felt so helpless. And this guy, he was a very good guy. He was from JEC, Jorhat Engineering College, right? He was a gem of a person. So, and he was very young to me. So when he passed away and everything, that thing, when I saw his father's face, mother's face, that thing played a very important, very deep impact on me, because I have not seen probably death at such a close level, right, until then. So तब मैंने सोचा कि how uncertain, because जैसे वो uncertainty की बात मैं कर रहा था, कोरोना तो बाद में आया ना, ये तो पहले हो गया था. तो ये इंसिडेंट जब हुआ, तभी मेरे मन में ये था कि how uncertain life is. मतलब a young guy, probably उस time पे when he passed away, he was, I don't know, hardly 26 years, hardly 26 years old. That guy passing away, how much aspirations, how much ambitions he must have had.
Yes, true.
Obviously he's from such a renowned institute, इतना अच्छा कर रहा था वो, he worked so hard all his life. तो कुछ ना कुछ उसके मन में था. His parents must have had something in their mind also कि बच्चा ऐसा करेगा, ये करेगा, वो करेगा, and then fraction of a second में it's over. Right? That's how life changes. तो कोरोना आने से पहले ही मेरे मन में ये था कि लाइफ इज सो अनसर्टेन, सो अनसर्टेन. तो यू कैन नॉट, लाइक, अगर आप सोचते रह जाओगे कि मैं अगले 5 साल में कुछ करूंगा, प्रोबेबली वो 5 साल कभी आएंगे ही नहीं ना, कभी नहीं. 5 दिन भी नहीं आ सकते हैं. वो एक इंसिडेंट हुआ, वो इंसिडेंट होने के बाद ही फिर कोरोना का लॉकडाउन हुआ. तो अगेन दैट थिंग, इतनी अनसर्टेनिटी एंड थिंग्स गॉट, उसी तरह से, मतलब दीज थिंग्स प्लेड सच पाइवोटल पार्ट. एंड इसीलिए नाउ करंट, अगर मैं आप मेरे को पूछो कि व्हाट इज लाइक माय करंट मेंटल स्टेट राइट नाउ, इज दैट आई वुड डू एवरीथिंग दैट आई वांट टू डू फर्स्टली, एंड आई वुड, जो भी ये पॉडकास्ट देख रहा है, आई वुड टेल यू कि डू व्हाटएवर यू हैव इन योर माइंड, राइट, जो भी अच्छा करना हो. लाइक इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट जिमिंग, you start gymming. If you want to start running, you do that. I do it. जैसे मैंने उस दिन भी रात को, like, when I was talking to you, मैं रात को भी, like, I get time, I go out to jog and everything, जिम वगैरह जाता हूँ मैं. तो वो भी लोगों को करना चाहिए. कुकिंग लोगों को, मुझे नहीं आती थी कुकिंग, तो कुकिंग भी मैं भी धीरे धीरे, नाउ आई कैन कुक फिश एंड एवरीथिंग टू. जब लाइक जोरहाट, बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं, मतलब यू आर अ क्लाउड किचन ओनर एंड यू डोंट नो हाउ टू कुक एंड एवरीथिंग, बट आई ओपन द जोरहाट किचन विथ इट्स, लाइक, बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. बट कुकिंग मेरे को नहीं आती थी, तो धीरे धीरे मैं कुकिंग भी सीख रहा हूँ. एंड एवरीथिंग दैट आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू, आई एम डूइंग इट. एंड आई एम, एक तो वो चीज है, आई एम डूइंग इट, द गुड थिंग्स. एंड दूसरी चीज ये है कि आई एम टेकिंग थिंग्स एज इट इज कमिंग टू मी. मतलब अभी, मतलब ऐसा कि शॉक होना, बिकॉज what worse can happen to you, what worse can happen to you, people can die, which had already happened, no, which has already happened. People are dying through road accidents, जो वहां नहीं मर रहे थे. People are dying through covid में एक साथ there are millions of people dying. That is the worst fear we have. वो ही अभी, वो तो खत्म हो गया ना, वो तो लोगों को दिख गया. Whenever your time comes, you will go. You cannot, nothing can hold you. Whenever, like, today is this thing, tomorrow something else might come. राइट. तो इतना फिर यू कैन, एंड हाउ अनसर्टेन लाइफ इज, ये भी हम लोगों को दिख गया है. तो करंट माइंडसेट मेरा ऐसा ही है कि व्हाटएवर इट कम्स, व्हाटएवर लाइफ थ्रोज एट मी, आई टेक इट वेरी पॉजिटिवली, एंड आई कीप ऑन डूइंग व्हाटएवर आई लाइक. दैट्स इट. कीप ऑन डूइंग व्हाटएवर आई लाइक. फॉर द यंगस्टर्स, आई विल जस्ट टेल यू, आई विल जस्ट करेक्ट माई सेल्फ, जो भी करना है, इट्स लाइक व्हाटएवर इज गुड फॉर मी.
Yes.
ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब अभी तो टाइम नहीं है, अभी तो आई विल जस्ट गो आउट पार्टिंग ऑल डे, एंड आई डू दिस ऑल डे. सो दैट इज नॉट व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. एनीवे दोस थिंग्स आर लाइक, वो तो एक टाइम तक ही रहता है. मतलब गोइंग आउट पार्टी एंड एवरीथिंग इज लाइक इन द अर्ली 20s एंड लेट मिड, लाइक, अर्ली 20s में ही अच्छा लगता है. वंस यू स्टार्ट thinking for yourself and your life, these things don't matter to you much. तो जो मैटर करता है आपको, जो आपको हैप्पीनेस देता है, आई थिंक यू शुड बी डूइंग इट.
True, true, true. So, like, as the time is concerned, so we are
Yeah.
moving. We have a rapid fire session, as I said, like, right?
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So I'll be throwing, like, not throwing. I'll be putting some words in front, like, in front of you.
Okay.
The words are part of this conversation only,
Okay.
and you will have to tell me what comes in your mind the first thing that comes into your mind. You can explain if you want. If you don't, it's fine. You can tell me the
Okay.
first thing comes in your mind. Okay. So
Okay. And for people who are watching this, they should know that this is completely impromptu.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's a
Yeah, this is
completely
not
improv.
staged or directed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So okay, the first word is money.
Very important.
Okay.
Most important. Most important.
The second thing is life.
Life goes on.
Life goes on. Gave me a like slight smile on my face because I was listening to this song right now. Life goes
Yeah.
on and on and on and on and on. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So yeah, the third thing is EdTech as you're working.
EdTech, very crucial for today's time. Very integral part of education. Yeah, it's the
Marketing.
future of education.
Okay. Marketing.
Marketing is a very integral part of business growth.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, marketing and most importantly, digital marketing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Digital marketing.
it's the future of business.
So the next is your college, Kaziranga University.
Kaziranga University gave it's very if I think about Kaziranga University today, if I have to describe it in one word, it was very fresh for me, very fresh for me because something of such a scale is established in Jorhat. I never thought while growing up कि ऐसा एक establishment जोरहाट में होगा. Guwahati में तो there are lots of institutes and like if you go out of Guwahati, rest of the India में तो बहुत सारे institutes हैं. But in the place of Jorhat, जो उन्होंने किया है infrastructurally, academically, I think they are doing a great job.
Entrepreneurship.
And it's too early for me to comment on entrepreneurship.
No, just like
Yeah,
I'm not asking you being an entrepreneur,
yeah,
it's just your view, what you
yeah,
think.
yeah. Entrepreneurship is taking ownership of yourself, whatever you have learned. But yeah, entrepreneurship and experience goes hand in hand, is what I believe.
So next is skill.
Skill, yeah, skill. Skill is something. Skill. How do I say? Skill is very, 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 very crucial to whatever you are doing. Yeah, right. Because as I told you, when I completed my mechanical engineering, I was not skilled in mechanical engineering, but I throughout the time I realized that I'm skilled in communication. I have good communication skills.
Yes.
So yeah. So जो जैसे जैसे जिसको whenever you realize in certain point, whatever time and point of your life you realize कि yeah, this is my strength, this is my skill, and you should continuously work on it.
Yes. True. True. So the next is destiny, if I say.
Destiny. Yeah, I think it exists. Like lots of people feel that probably there is nothing called destiny, but I think it exists, and whatever happens, probably at the end it happens for your own good.
Yes, it does. Connections.
Connections, yeah. So yeah, earlier no, I would इस word से मुझे ये याद आया. I would just like to put it out there कि I was throughout my life, throughout like most of the time, I was an introvert. I was an introvert मतलब I was selectively introvert. मेरा थोड़ा introvert का जो nature है वो अलग ही है. Like I think there would be people out there who would associate with it because I am not an introvert when I am with my close people whom I like. But जब भी कभी भी like it's like outside of my like people I don't know, I meet random people, I become complete introvert. Like people like कि ये लड़का बात क्यों नहीं करता है, right? तो वो होता है, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगा कि आई वर्क अपॉन इट, अभी भी मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, अभी भी मैं उस चीज को लेके मैं अभी भी थोड़ा सा इंट्रोवर्ट ही हूँ, उस चीज पे काम कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज कनेक्शंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Important.
Mostly, yeah, it's very important because if you are today, if you have to be in the market today, if you have to have a name for yourself, I think the connections, networking is very important. Like sitting out there, you should know if you have any problem, whom do you approach in Delhi.
True.
You should be having that one person in Delhi, you should be having that one person in Bihar or in Kerala who would, like, you give a call and like is there for you.
Yes.
And eventually you would be meeting people out there.
Yeah. True. Connections is important. Okay, so moving to the second last question of the session. The second last question is friendship.
Friendship, yeah. So friendship has always played for friendship for me. If I talk about myself, friendship for me, like my true friends are my family. And this is in real terms. So अगर मेरे जो friends हैं, my true friends, जिनके साथ, those who are there out there, if they will be watching this, obviously they will be watching this. Then whenever they watch this, they would be knowing it. That yeah, that is very true because I do not. My extended family is my friends. So I am not that connected with, like, my relatives and all, and उतना नहीं है. But yeah, my friends, if I talk about, so they are my true family.
True.
And as a matter of fact, my friends, I'm very proud because my friends are from different sectors. Like someone is in obviously engineering में तो बहुत सारे हैं ही, बहुत सारे medical में भी है, like lots of their doctors, then lawyers,
Yes.
some of them in civil service also. So yeah, so it's varied.
So the last question of the session is, if I put out your name, Nahid, what do you think?
Yeah.
The first thing comes to my Nahid, with the word Nahid, if I
Yeah.
emphasize.
So whenever I say out whenever I think, whenever people say my name, I think I should be someone. बाकी कुछ होना हो, whatever it might be, but जब भी आपको कभी भी मेरे बारे में याद आए, कभी भी आप मेरे से बात करो, you should be happy, you should feel happy. तो मैं हमेशा वही चाहता हूँ कि मतलब ऑफिस में भी, इफ आप ऑफिस में भी जब मुझे देखोगे, जिससे भी मैं बात करता हूँ, आई ऑलवेज ट्राई कि पॉजिटिव वाइब उनसे मिले, बिकॉज आई फील द वर्ल्ड एनीवे इज इनटू टू मच हार्डशिप, इट्स इनटू टू मच एग्नी, टू मच स्ट्रगल. सारे लोग रैट रेस में भाग रहे हैं, कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है सबके जिंदगी में. बट आई फील कि वेन एवर दे टॉक टू मी, उनको वो कंफर्ट फील होना चाहिए. Yeah, so this is a person who would be listening to, like, आप अगर मेरे को कुछ बोलोगे, I might not have the solution for it, but yeah, I would definitely lend my ears.
Yeah.
तो वो एक चीज है जो हमेशा
Listening is
I
very
like.
important these days.
Very
Yeah,
important,
because
very
people
important.
don't listen actually.
Exactly.
So yeah, it was a good session with you. Like we are moving to the end of the session actually. So
Okay.
talking to you, I found that you are very a people like a man who's very legacy driven. I would say like legacy. You want to keep your name, and you want to keep your name like somewhere like it, if not in a bigger way, but you want to keep your name. Like your name should be there.
Yeah,
Like what I
yeah,
feel, I personally feel that.
right. Right. And all those things that I am associated with, like I am कभी भी मैं जब बाहर whenever I used to stay outside, अभी भी जब भी, like, people talk to me and whatever they ask me, कि कोई भी इंटरव्यू हो, कुछ भी हो, like introduce yourself, या कभी मैं किसी नए आदमी से मिल रहा हूँ, whenever I am asked to introduce myself, I start by saying, जैसे मैंने बताया था कि I'm from Jorhat and I'm an SMEs. So that is something that I associated with all my heart. I'm very proud. मतलब I would probably, if there is a word called proudest, so I would be the proudest of
हाँ,
proud Assamese, being an Assamese. So वो एक चीज है, and वो एक बहुत important चीज है. मतलब I want कि people know me as an Assamese guy who
yes,
did all these things, whatever it might be.
yes.
But yeah, this is something that I want to associate with my name. कि I'm a Jorhatian. So in fact, the Jorhat Kitchen का जो tagline है, that's like for the Jorhatians by a Jorhatian. So yeah, I would want to be known as the Jorhatian and as an Assamese guy. Yeah, that's the first mostly. बाकी चीजें उसके बाद आएंगी, whatever it is.
So as I said, like moving to the end of the session, I would like to ask you for your message, who was like kind, like who were decent enough to, like, who were patient enough, not decent enough, sorry to the word, for the word, like patient enough to listen to this, you know, podcast.
Till the end, till the
Yeah,
end.
till the end. So yeah, the message you would like to put for like people like me, the students like me who wants to start something new, or anybody like who wants to start something.
See, the only thing, or for anybody, this I had implemented on my own life. This I have implemented on my own brother as well. I have a younger brother,
Yes.
so he has got recently into he's got into business as well. तो ये चीज है कि आपको whatever you are doing, जो मैंने सेशन के थ्रू में भी बोला, you should be very sincere and very genuine to whatever you are doing. बहुत genuine, मतलब if your mother had given you a task, she is not around, you should do it genuinely. Start from there. बाकी कुछ हो ना हो, your father had given you a task, do it genuinely. भले ही because it's very easy to lie to your mother, no?
Yeah.
मम्मी ये कर लिया, हाँ ये कर लिया, हो गया. And your mom would not even ask, doubt you कि नहीं तूने नहीं किया है. तो start from there, do it genuinely. खुद बहुत अच्छा फील होता है. And once you do that, once you learn the trick of doing a work sincerely when no one is around you, I think you have almost won the game, no? Won the battle. I think that because I try to implement it on my own brother also. कि बाकी कुछ हो ना हो, whatever you are doing, मम्मी रहे, पापा रहे, मैं रहूं, कोई भी रहे, you do it genuinely and you do it for yourself. तो तो वहां से शुरू करते हैं and धीरे धीरे तो obviously अभी तो कारवा चलता रहेगा,
कारवा चलता
right?
रहेगा जी,
Yeah.
very true. Chaliye, thank you for the session. Like, I would like to have you for more sessions like this. Like, I personally loved like how you talk actually. So we can have more sessions on different topics actually.
Sure.
Like topics like from
Definitely,
your
definitely.
genre, like marketing and all. It will be nice.
Right, right. And I would also like request you and urge everyone who is seeing, like whatever what your vision is, that you had already told me that there should be a community
Yeah.
of people, of like-minded people, of entrepreneurs. So I hope that this platform goes so big that instead of one person, we can have a platform wherein different people from different genres are there. So I think it would be more fun that way. Like, if like say 10 people from 10 different cities are there and we are talking with each other along with you. So I think, yeah,
That's
that
fine.
would be so great,
That will
so
be
great.
yeah.
And I can see that happening, obviously. You're very smart, you're very confident of what you're doing, and you're very ambitious. I like it. I like it. But this is like I would just like to tell everyone that it's 11:30 at night, and Sudeep is here talking to me
Yeah.
for
Thank
his
you so
own,
much.
like
Like you
the
are
thing.
boasting. I feel
Yeah,
like yeah, you are boasting, but yeah, thank you so much for the
yeah.
compliment.
Thank you, thank
I'm
you.
very bad at taking compliments. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for like giving us time.
Okay. Thank
For
you. Thank you.
for the next time, I would say like to say goodbye. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Bye.